Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the best of home essentials, and today, we're looking at what might just be the best boho wall clock out there, the AKCISOT wall clock in the wood grain finish. If you're looking for a timeless, elegant piece to complement your kitchen, living room, or even your office, this one deserves your attention. Right out of the box, the AKCISOT wall clock impresses with its simplicity. It's a 10-inch clock, which is a perfect size, not too small that it gets lost on your wall, and not too large to overpower other decor. The wood grain finish is warm, inviting, and speaks directly to that earthy, natural boho aesthetic we all love. Its design is all about clarity. The big, bold numerals stand out against the light face, making it incredibly easy to read from a distance. Whether you hang it in your kitchen where you're multitasking meals or in your home office where quick glances at the time matter, this clock delivers visibility without clutter. One of the biggest highlights of the AKCISOT wall clock is its silent operation. Yes, it's a non-ticking clock. That means no annoying ticking sounds when you're trying to focus or sleep. The quiet, sweet movement glides smoothly, which is perfect for bedrooms, study areas, and meditation rooms. Speaking of performance, AKCISOT really ensures time accuracy. Before these clocks even hit the market, each one is thoroughly tested for precision. So if you're worried about constantly resetting or adjusting, don't be. This clock does the job reliably. And here's what you get in the box: the clock itself and two sturdy hooks for mounting. It's battery operated, just pop in a single Ah battery and you're good to go. Installation is simple and straightforward. Even if you're not the most DIY savvy, you'll have it up in minutes. What's impressive is the versatility. This clock fits into so many spaces, from rustic farmhouse kitchens to minimal modern bedrooms. It's subtle, but never boring. That's the power of clean design and the appeal of boho charm. So, whether you're redecorating your space or simply looking for a reliable timepiece with style, the AKCISOT wall clock brings together function, form, and a sense of calm, all in one affordable package. If you're ready to elevate your walls with a little boho beauty, this clock is waiting for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our product deep dives. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.